take out this 12-volt outlet. I'm going to pop the cover off first. Then I'm going to use my trim tool, try to slide it back here, and just pry this outlet straight out. There we go. Now we have to unplug it. Be careful not to lose the plug back there. Otherwise you'll have to kind of go fishing for it. I'm going to use my trim tool to help unlatch it. There we go. This is going to stay here. And now what we have to do is actually remove this ring here with the cover and transfer it over to the new plug. So there's a special tool that they make for this, but if you don't have it, you can take a little pocket screwdriver, your trim tool, whatever you might have, and basically if you look in there, you'll see this little slot where the ring locks into, and it just has two tabs that you have to lift up. Once you've lifted those up, you should be able to slide it back, but the tab is very small and you don't have a lot of room to work here. So I'm going to take a pocket screwdriver. You can see these little tabs in there. I'm going to press up or press it through and pull out on this outer collar, and do the same to the bottom one here, and it just popped off. Slide it out. Basically what you're trying to do is push these two tabs out away from the outlet, and take your new one, and you'll see this top has two lines and then the bottom has one line here. You want to line that up with this collar, otherwise it won't slide in properly. It should slide in smoothly. If it doesn't, then most likely you have it backwards. There we go. Clip this on, plug it in. There we go. Now you can turn this whichever way you want. Perfect.